Good evening. What are we making?
It is the end of DUSSEHRA, no? Recipe. That is a 100 video also.
Yes, yes.
So I'm
Congratulations.
making a simple sweet.
Okay.
No cooking, nothing.
Acha.
This is PANCHAMIRTHAM. Everyone knows. Parani is famous for PANCHAMIRTHAM.
We also get in temples.
What are necessary things? Simple we can do.
Okay.
Main is banana.
Okay.
Then cardamom powder. This is optional.
Okay.
This is ghee. For every name of God, you have to put ghee, no? Selected ghee. This is with KALDHAND.
Acha, like that raw crystal sugar.
Crystal sugar, yeah. KALDHAND. This is perichamban, we tell dates, no?
Correct.
You have to just cut it and nicely. And this is dry grapes.
Okay.
And jaggery.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
We'll put this. Now I'll show you how to make this panjamir.
Okay.
They all will smash it. Panjamir is main thing is smashing with hands.
Acha, acha. Okay.
PANCHAMIRTHAM. Panch means for 5, no? 5 fingers. See. Punch means what? 5 fingers. So with 5 fingers, nicely smash it. You can use any even more banana. Now I am going to use only 3, maximum 3 only. It's simple. Easily smash. With the hand it is smashed. I don't know like dosa flour and certain things we have to do with only hand. Now I will put the ghee.
Okay.
Not much, just a taste. Everything added. Then
Cardamom powder.
Then crystal jaggery.
Okay. Sugar.
KALDHAND. Then dry grapes. Then this jaggery.
Okay.
Powdered sugar.
Okay.
Powdered jaggery.
Okay.
Then this one, little. You can make it small, or even if you want, it can be big pieces also. Like this. Just cut it into pieces, like this. Small.
How
pieces.
many are we taking?
I have taken 4 to 5.
Okay.
4 to 5. Nicely take it. These are all good for health. I think maybe in the last day every house there will be fruits, everything remain. They would have made like this, I think. This is like a fruit salad.
Yes.
Different types of fruit salad. Some of them they'll add milk also.
Okay, okay.
We can add milk also, but the milk we can't keep for many days, I told you. So we can add jaggery and the ghee itself will be nice.
Okay.
Because that banana itself will give a gravy structure for you.
Correct.
And this is a 100 video. So super one. So it came on this video. So I want to show this.
Make this item.
Finish our
This is
DUSSEHRA
a
video.
prasad in the temple.
Prasad, yeah. Every prasadam, easy prasadam. It is. So after for a few minutes, if you see, it will become like a. They will tell no, don't make rice like PANCHAMIRTHAM because it will kola it will become.
Okay.
But the taste is here kola only. Always I told them whatever jaggery I make, add sugar. For this instead of sugar, I have added crystal sugar now.
Okay.
So whatever you make.
So now we should just leave it for a while?
No, we can take it. Now I change this into. See,
that's it.
This is
ready.
The simple PANCHAMIRTHAM. Main is banana. So over PANCHAMIRTHAM. Can you see?
Perfect.
Perfect. PANCHAMIRTHAM is ready. Some of them will have grapes and all, but main items.
Yes.
But main items you see in the temples, they have only banana.
Okay.
Banana, crystal sugar, like that. This is the PANCHAMIRTHAM is ready. Simple. Go.
Perfecto. Thank you.
So all of you make this PANCHAMIRTHAM, and not only for DUSSEHRA, even for sudden some functions coming, you can make this also and get the blessings of God.
Okay.
Simple PANCHAMIRTHAM is
Ready. Thank you so much.
okay, thank you.
Best of luck and congratulations for your 100th video.
I think it's the success of the subscribers, I think.
Yes, thank you so much.
They're giving me full support. I feel the same support from them.
Thank you.
Hope I'll get the same support from the others also.
Yes, I think it should be that way.
I also try to do my best and easy way.
Yes, I think that's what the audience is looking at, the most
best
easiest.
and easy ways of eating.
Correct.
Because they don't have time to go run and they all are running and work. So if they tell them easy one, it will be easy for them to do the work.
Okay.
So I'll try to tell what all is easy, I'll try first to do. Then the little hard, I'll tell in the last.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this easy PANCHAMIRTHAM is ready in our 100th episode. You also try it and eat it in your house.
Okay. Okay, we'll see in the next video.
Next Deepavali is coming, we start the Deepavali things. Dussehra over, we saw the sundals, everything. Next Diwali is coming. Already I've told certain things. Certain things I'll tell you for Diwali. Mainly I have to tell the legume.
Legume, yeah, very important, especially during this.
Not only for Diwali, we can eat at any time.
Acha.
Any time that powder must be ready, you can use it. I'll tell you that.
Okay.
But I don't know whether some of them knows the name. But I
Legume.
don't know in English. I have to tell only in Tamil that one. I don't know the name of that. It's in English.
No problem. We'll see when the video is out.
Started, I'll tell you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Happy Dussehra finished for you. Next we'll wait in the Diwali.
Diwali. Okay.
Bye.